Hello guys, is the voice coming? If my voice is coming, are you able to hear my voice? Let me to inform in comment as I can
Hello guys.
brief and start the learning material, some tips and educational points. If you are able to learn, if you are able to listen my voice, let me to confirm here in the comment box. As the market started today at about 3 a.m. in the Tokyo session, or we can say the Asian sessions. There are two names of this session: Tokyo session and Asian session. This is the 15 minutes candle which was closed at 3 a.m. when the Tokyo session was started. At this point, what we have to see, market was moving to the upside and it started to move last night at 12:45 minutes. It started to move from this important order block level. You can see clearly this was an order block and market started to move to the upside. Prices mitigated this order block. Mitigated means reached in this area but did not broke this order block to the downside, and prices rejected from this level. Yeah, that rectangle is my order block area. This is the last selling candle was order block. This is the bullish order block, where from the prices had given a buy once and again came to the same order block, and again the prices are rejecting at this level and at this same order block level. Not now at about 1 a.m. in the 5th June, today is 5th June, but when the new date started, after the passing of 1 hour, market tried to prices push to the upside. Whenever we see such type of price actions at this level, we should see the buy trend because the prices have not broken this level. You can see here clearly the candles formations. Selling candles are ending its sell trend, and the volume, you can see here the selling volume is decreasing. selling volume is decreasing from this candle to this candle. And here in this green candle, which is a bullish candle, the buy volume has increased. As we compare this volume with the previous volumes, this candle is I think so it's a bullish engulfing candle, which has engulfed the previous one candle and some part of the very next candle. It is a bullish engulfing candle with high volume in it. Here the smart money intends to push the market to the upside. Now another 15 minutes candle was closed as a sell candle, but we have to see it clearly. The body of this sell candle is still little bit upside. It has not survived to the downside, and the buyers have rejected it to the upside. This is a sell candle, but is a weak candle for looking the sell. So the very next candle, which has been closed, and it is also a bullish, another bullish engulfing candle. Now this green candle has also broken the previous 2 to 3 candles structure. It means the power of buyers is increasing. Power of buyers is increasing. Another candle of buy is also a bullish candle. It means the buyers are pushing the price to the upsides slowly and gradually. When the markets moves up, it goes by making such type of zigzag design. Price never goes directly just like this straight line. So here you can see market is going to make a zigzag like this. You can see here clearly this is the zigzag form, or it is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and this is the higher high. So when the prices moved to the upside and again came for the retracement, this was the last point of retracement. After that the market pushed to the upside and gave the reward of this buy up to this structure level. Whenever we take a buy trade, we have to take or set its profit up to the very next structure level, which the price has given up to this level. Cherisu, if you are unable to listen my voice, you can see it or you can watch this live later on. Don't worry. I am unable to type here because I am focusing on the topic which I am discussing here. You can watch it later. It will be uploaded after the live stream. Okay. When the prices reached up to this level, on this resistance level, here the prices are trying to move to the sell side. This is the very first bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle. This is the first sign of moving to the sell side, but here we have not to sit quickly or aggressively. We have to wait. This is the first and initial hint for us that market can now move to the sell side. Whenever we see the first powerful engulfing candle, now you can see the huge volume in this candle, huge selling volume, starting volume, which has started here. After the retracement, it has given the sell. As the same example for the buy side I am showing you here. This is the first buy volume. After the retracement, it has given this bullish trend. So in the same way, we have to wait to retrace the market again to the buy side, and we have to catch the sell whenever we see any perfect evidence over there. When you saw this bearish engulfing candle which has the wick from the bottom side, this wick from the bottom side represent the buyer's pressure in it. दर बंद करायचं. When we see such type of bearish candle in which the bottom wick is appearing, it means the buyers are pushing little bit to the upside. After that, we have to wait for the retracement. तू समझाइस. After its retracement, market has closed this inverted hammer candle. This is the selling hint. This is the selling candle at the resistance level. The market has closed this inverted hammer or shooting star candle on this resistance level, and you can see here this is the triple bottom. Market has created a triple bottom. You can imagine it double bottom too if you compare these two swing levels. And when we see these three levels, these are the triple bottom. Now, why we should see this sell? Because the yesterday market had created this break of structure or change of character. You can see here internal change of character. So market had started to give the sell since last night, and at this level price tried to move the prices to the above or buy side, but could not survive for the buy side. And what the RSI is showing, now you can see here, when the prices reached above the 70 band, after that here the market retraced little bit and again moved to upside, but at this time the price was trying to move up, but the RSI was showing some selling pressure, and the black line could not survive to or above this 70 band. This is the hint for us to see the sell. If we could see the RSI is making another higher high, then we could see the buy more. But at this level the RSI was also showing some selling pressure, some selling hints. After that it has made the range. This is the 15 minutes time frame, and third time it has given or closed. This is the shooting star candle. This is the perfect example of this sell. This candle was created at the Asian or Tokyo session today early in the morning. After looking this and watching these huge selling volumes at the resistance levels, we have to see this sell, and we are looking that the buyers volumes are decreasing. Now you can see here, every time the prices are trying to move up, but the volumes are decreasing, volumes are becoming lower than the selling candles. Some volumes were increasing in the middle of the night, and this the first buying volume at the order block level. This is the starting of this buy up to this level, starting with the high volume of the buy and slowly ranging and moving slowly to the upside. It ended here at this resistance level, and when we got this selling volume at resistance level, this was the initial hint for us to see the sell after its retracement, not exactly on this candle. We have to wait for two candles to be closed, two candles. This is the one for retracement and another for making an evidence, which is a bullish engulfing candle, shooting star, inverted hammer candle, or any hanging man. These all are the evidences of selling trend. After that, if we sit after the closing of this shooting star candle, we could catch this sell movement. 182 pips of sell after this selling evidence, which is shooting star, high volume candles, and a resistance level, triple bottom at the resistance level. These are so many evidences which we could see here. and see the sell. Now market is in ranging, and I tried to teach here how could we see the sell, what the volumes are hinting us, what the RSI is hinting or indicating us at this level. Now you can see the market is trying to shift its structure to the downside, and RSI has also shifted its structure to the sell side. This is the 50 band. 50 between the 50 and 30 band or lower is the sell trend. Market is trying to shift to the downside, and we have to see the sell. Now how much sell could come? The first target we can see here, this is the fair value gap. If the market breaks this down level, after that we can see another sell. Let me to check the bigger time frame for more confluences. Now this is the area. Market can come and range up to this area. After that we will decide if the market breaks this level. This is 1 hour chart. If market breaks this level, we will see another sell, otherwise the market can go up again. So note out these levels, these prices. This is the 1 hour order block level. Prices can return back from this order block, or can also return from this level too, because this is another order block above this downside order block. Prices can move from this order block or this order block. If the prices are breaking this order block, we will see more sell, otherwise the trend is bullish. Let me to check the 4 hour time frame. What is it saying? According to the 4 hour time frame, market can go down up to this level. This is an imbalance 4 hour candle. Market can fill this, otherwise will move to the upside. So at this level I have to close this live because I have to go for some urgent work. So as I will be free, I will continue from that price level. So see you in the next